With the beauty of our Sonoran Desert, luxury resorts, restaurants, and golf courses, Scottsdale, Arizona is not only known for adventure, it's also known for its unique real estate. Sitting on over 3/4 of an acre, this beautiful ranch-style home is an entertainer's dream. Outside, you'll find a pool and spa, plus a full-size, professionally lit tennis court. You've also got an outdoor barbecue, a fire pit, and an extended patio. When you walk into the home, you'll notice how bright it is, with vaulted ceilings and tons of natural light. The spacious kitchen features high-grade granite countertops, white custom cabinets, and stainless steel appliances. The large island is perfect for gathering, and the custom breakfast nook is cozy and intimate. The beauty continues into the large great room and down the hall, where you'll find the master bedroom. This space is an ideal retreat with a large bathroom, freestanding tub, and even a dual-sided fireplace. You'll find a huge finished basement downstairs with a bonus room, plus 2 additional bedrooms and a bathroom. Upstairs also features an additional bedroom and an office or den that can be used as a 5th bedroom. Situated near Kierland and Scottsdale Quarter with no HOA, this kind of property is so hard to find. There's so much to love about this home as we offer this incredible opportunity for its next owner. My name is Alexis Enright with Keller Williams Sonoran Living. Contact me for more information or to schedule a private showing.